Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. It's the one and only girl Jody. Today I'll be making me some pine and ginger. Hey, today we will be making some pine and ginger drink in my kitchen. When last have you had a refreshing glass of pine and ginger drink? Wait no more. We are going to make some refreshing, rich and full of fiber pine and ginger drink. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get this process started. These are all the ingredients I will be using to make my pine and ginger. Over here, I have me half cups of granulated sugar. I have me 1 lemon. I have over here my finger of ginger. Got it. Ooh, I love me some ginger. I have here my pineapple. If you love some pineapple, let me know in the comment section. Alrighty guys, 1 whole pineapple. We're going to use all of it. Over here I've got me some water, but I will be using more water. Have my blender. And I have my strainer right here and my bowl. So guys, wait no more. Let's get this process started. Alrighty guys, so now we are going to peel our pineapple. Growing up as a little girl in Jamaica, I would normally watch my mom or my aunt make some nice, natural, refreshing pine and ginger drink. Sundays were for juicing days. Whenever we had Sunday dinner, there would always be a natural juice on the side. And look at this today, guys. I am making my pineapple drink that I've learned from my family growing up as a little girl, from myself and my family. You don't want to miss out on this refreshing homemade recipe. Ain't nothing like some homemade natural juice. A little important tip before we move on to the next process. You can also use the skin of the pineapple to make pineapple juice as well. You can boil it for 10 minutes, blend it up, and then strain it off. Today, I will be using only the pulp for my pineapple juice. Alrighty guys, so now we are going to make sure our pineapple is all cleaned up. See all of this, we're going to take them apart. At this point, we are going to cut up our pineapple into small pieces so it can be easily blended when we add it to our blender. Did you know that pineapples are packed with vitamin C, which helps to support your immune system and aids in the growth and repair of tissues? So guys, pineapple is a must in your diet. And there you have it, guys. My pineapple all cut up and looking oh so yellow, rich and juicy. I know my pine and ginger drink gonna taste nice. After which, we are going to peel and cut up our ginger as well. Please make sure you wash and clean your ginger, removing all the dirt particles before adding it to your blender. Did you know that ginger helps to improve digestion, reduce gas, easing a cold or the flu? These are all natural ingredients I'm using to make my pine and ginger drink. And there you have it, guys. My pine and ginger are all clean cut up and ready for me to move on to the next process. So guys, let's go. To my blender, I'm going to add my pine and my ginger, but I'm not adding everything all at once. I'm going to blend them in 3 separate stages because we don't want to overflow the blender. We want our ingredients to be blended properly. Alrighty guys, to that, I'm going in with 1 cup of water. Please make sure when adding water, your pineapple and ginger is all covered. Alrighty guys, now we are going to cover this and let the blending process begin. Look at all of this niceness right here. OMG, the smell of my ginger and my pineapple all at once. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this niceness right here. This looks super good. I cannot wait to get some of this in my system. And voila, the first batch is complete. Look at all of that niceness. To my strainer, I'm carefully adding my pineapple and ginger mixture. Please make sure you carefully add it straight into your strainer. We don't want the pulp to get away into our juice that we are trying to strain. Using a large spoon, stir and press the mixture through the strainer until only dry, fibrous pineapple and ginger pieces are remained. Alrighty guys, this looking so good already. At this point, I'm repeating the exact same process of blending and straining until I've juiced up all my pineapple and my ginger. Alrighty guys, look at all of this niceness right here. My pine and ginger is all strained off and looking really good. Look how rich it is, guys. Alright, now we are going to get this together by sweetening this and add all of that niceness. So guys, let's go. Your juice is not yet completed without some lemon or lime juice. This helps to give your juice that nice, distinctive lemon taste. And I'm just adding it straight to my lemon squeezer. Now the lemon squeezer ensures you get all the juice from your lemon. Look at that, guys. All of the juice is just going into this niceness. No seed and no pulp, only the juice. And I'm just going to give it that stir, making sure all that lemon juice infuse into my pine and my ginger mixture. I cannot wait to pour me a glass. Up next, I'm going to sweeten my pine and my ginger mixture. Please sweeten according to your taste. Now give it that stir, making sure all the sugar particles are being dissolved into the mixture. And I'm going to give it that taste test to adjust where necessary. And it needs more sugar. So guys, I'm going back in with a little bit more sugar. As I said earlier, please sweeten according to your taste. Alrighty guys, and mix that sugar particle again until the sugar particles are being dissolved. Let's give it that taste test again, guys. And it's oh so good. Nothing more needed. So now that you have achieved the taste that you want for your pine and ginger, we are going to strain this off in a container. So guys, let's go. There you have it, guys. My pine and ginger drink is all finished. It is smelling oh so good. The ginger is super strong. Pouring me a glass over some ice cube, getting it refreshing and nice. Topping it off with a slice of lemon and piece of mint. This presentation is everything, guys. OMG, I am in love with this right here. Guys, tell me how much you would rate this drink. And there you have it, guys, my pine and ginger. If you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that like button for more cooking videos. And also, guys, turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that we post. Do not miss out on these delicious recipe, guys. I'm telling you. And all the new content that is coming up. Do not miss out, guys. Comment below and tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. Don't be afraid, guys. Let me know what you want to see me cook. And also, please try it at home and tell me how yours turn out to be. I want to hear your feedback. Please give me your honest feedback, guys. I want to know. Finally, pour your pineapple ginger drink into a sealed container and refrigerate. I cannot wait until this comes off of the fridge. Gonna taste also refreshing, cool, and nice. I cannot wait. This recipe makes about 7 cups and can last up to 3 days when it is refrigerated. I cannot wait. There you have it, guys. I hope you had a blessed Christmas, a happy new year when it comes. Please stay prayed up, stay safe. DJ family love you guys. Have a blessed week and see you guys soon. Bye, guys.